Hi, my name is Robert Gluck. I've been a practicing personal injury trial lawyer here in Florida for the past 27 years. Among some of the insurance companies that I've worked with in regard to handling the settlement and the trial of personal injury cases would be Geico Insurance Company, State Farm Insurance Company, Allstate Insurance Company, Liberty Mutual Insurance Company, Travelers Insurance Company, and Progressive, just to name a few. They all have one thing in common. If you get into an accident with one of their drivers, they are all going to have a team of people that are going to be as nice to you as possible, more than likely, at the beginning of the case. Why? They want to get you to cooperate with them and give them a statement before you speak with an attorney. The reason they want to do that is because they record that statement. And they ask you questions about your injuries, and they ask you questions about how the accident happened before you even have an opportunity to review the police report with your own lawyer. What these nice insurance companies are doing at the beginning of the case are gathering information that they will eventually use against you or your lawyer. I can't tell you how many times I've gone to settle a case where I tell them that the day after the accident, my client was complaining about significant shoulder pain, and they had to get treatment for it, and they might have ended up needing surgery for it. And they turn around and they say to me, well, we took a statement from your client immediately after the accident, and we have a recording of them. And in that recording, they didn't mention shoulder pain. Now, they may have mentioned arm pain, and sometimes the shoulder, or sometimes pain in general, doesn't develop until the next day. Did you ever work out hard in the gym and wake up the next morning sore? Well, if the soreness is from a torn rotator cuff, you're not going to know it until the next day. So, these insurance companies will gather this information, and then when your lawyer asks for money to settle your case, they will use it against you. So do yourself a favor. Hire a lawyer right away, even if you don't think it's a significant injury. I handle small claims and I handle large claims. The worst thing that can happen is you have a small claim. But if I can recover for you at least 1/3 more than you can recover on your own, it's worth it to have a lawyer help you anyway. I take the small with the large. If I do a good job for you on your small case, then maybe you'll refer me someone else. I grow my practice by referrals. But don't let the insurance companies ruin your case before you ever get to a lawyer. Have a lawyer on your side from the beginning.